In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table to a Notion page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to make your table ready for data without any confusion. First, open Notion in your browser or desktop app and sign in if you're not already. Once you're in, head to the Workspace and open the page where you want the table to live. You can choose any existing page from the sidebar or open a new one you've been drafting. The key is to place your cursor in the spot where you want the table to appear, so Notion knows exactly where to add it. Next, hover your mouse to the left of the line where your cursor is. You'll see a small plus icon appear. Click that plus to open Notion's block menu. From the list, select Table. This inserts a table right on the page at your cursor position. If you're working on a blank page, click once to create a new line and then hover to reveal the plus. If you don't see the menu immediately, move your mouse a bit to the left. The icon appears when you're close to the left margin. On touch devices, you can tap the plus that appears near the line options. Once the table is added, you'll see a simple grid with a few default columns and rows. Click a column header to rename it to something meaningful like task, owner, or due date. You can add more columns by hovering at the right edge of the table until a small plus appears, then clicking to insert a new column. To add rows, use the plus at the bottom of the table or just press Enter when you're in the last cell. Drag the vertical dividers between column headers to resize columns so your content fits neatly. As you start typing, keep your data consistent from row to row. For example, keep dates in a similar format and use short, clear labels. If your first row is a header, make sure it's obvious and concise so anyone who opens the page understands what each column represents. Notion saves changes automatically, so there's nothing extra you need to do to keep your work safe. That's it. You went to Notion, opened your page, clicked the plus icon next to your text, chose Table, and your table is ready to use. Add as many rows and columns as you need, and adjust the layout until it feels right for your workflow. You're all set to organize your information clearly and quickly on your Notion page.